In front of me is VIVO Y35, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this VIVO. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy section. After that, click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features, like microphone. Then tap on an app. I will go with Booking.com and choose the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Booking.com just gained access to my device's microphone if I'm using it. But you can always go back, pick any feature and look for an app that you are interested in. I will go with camera in order to access my camera. Then select See All Camera Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!